Cat Monkey on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Snapchat app. So here I am on my profile. So first of all, you have to make sure that your Snapchat app is fully updated. So go to your app store if you have an iPhone, or you can go to Google Play or Play Store if you have an Android. So I already did that, and from this page, from your Snapchat page, you just have to click hanger right here. So click on that, and here you will find all of your outfits. So from here you have to scroll down, and you have to scroll a little bit here. So here at costumes, we have this one right here. You can go ahead and click that and then click on save. So this is how it looks now, guys. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.